Next, we'll look at the min and max functions in Excel, which those directions are located on page 114 of your textbook. So I need to click in cell D15, that's right next to minimum spending, and then I'm going to enter in the formula, the function min. Min is for minimum. It's going to find the minimum value in a cell range which has numbers. So type min and then close parentheses to select my range. I'll select D3 through D11. Whoops, I accidentally selected D12. So what I can do is go to the lower right corner until I get a diagonal arrow at my cursor, and then left click drag it up to update the range, and press enter because I want the range D3 through D11. I can do the same thing for the max spending. In cell D16 I'll type equals max open parenthesis and then select my cell range D3 through D11. Here I can see that I have a minimum spending annual budget of $1,200 and a maximum spending for the year of $3,500. Quite the range for my different categories within my budget. Within this video, I will also show how you can copy and paste formulas, but only the formulas, not the format. There are a number of ways you can copy and paste content from one cell to another to customize what you want. These instructions are shown on page 116 as shown here. I'm going to highlight D13 through 16, hit the copy button on the home tab within the clipboard section, and then instead of pressing paste after I have clicked in cell E13, instead of just pressing paste, I'm going to click the down arrow for paste and see all these different options. Here's the normal paste, and it's previewed in the cells where I wish to paste. Here's the one that we want, formulas only. Do you see the difference? Pasting only the formulas allows me to keep my double line border around my cell range, but a normal paste would actually replace the double line border with a single line border. And then here are other options here. There's all kinds of options here, which you can explore later on your own. So I'm going to go to paste formulas. It's the second option in the drop down of paste. And there I have these formulas with the cell references updated. I had a higher average spending in the last year, but I had a lower minimum spending with the same maximum spending.